Hello, friends. Just 10 minutes a day can change your English forever. Today, we'll learn a few school and classroom phrases. Repeat with me and make English easy and natural. I have a question. I have a question. I have a question. Can you help me? Can you help me? Can you help me? May I go to the bathroom? May I go to the bathroom? May I go to the bathroom? What page are we on? What page are we on? What page are we on? Please open your books. Please open your books. Please open your books. Listen carefully. Listen carefully. Listen carefully. Raise your hand. Raise your hand. Raise your hand. Repeat after me. Repeat after me. Repeat after me. Pay attention, please. Pay attention, please. Pay attention, please. Work in pairs. Work in pairs. Work in pairs. Take out your notebook. Take out your notebook. Take out your notebook. Write your name. Write your name. Write your name. Time is up. Time is up. Time is up. Please be quiet. Please be quiet. Please be quiet. Good job. Good job. Good job. Can you explain it again? Can you explain it again? Can you explain it again? I don't understand. I don't understand. I don't understand. I need more time. I need more time. I need more time. I'm finished. I'm finished. I'm finished. What does this mean? What does this mean? What does this mean? Can I borrow a pencil? Can I borrow a pencil? Can I borrow a pencil? Where's the homework? Where's the homework? Where's the homework? Don't forget your homework. Don't forget your homework. Don't forget your homework. Please turn in your paper. Please turn in your paper. Please turn in your paper. Let's start the test. Let's start the test. Let's start the test. This is your assignment. This is your assignment. This is your assignment. No talking during the test. No talking during the test. No talking during the test. Line up, please. Line up, please. Line up, please. Let's go to the library. Let's go to the library. Let's go to the library. Please clean up your desk. Please clean up your desk. Please clean up your desk. Today's topic is science. Today's topic is science. Today's topic is science. Time for a group project. Time for a group project. Time for a group project. Please pass the papers. Please pass the papers. Please pass the papers. Can we work together? Can we work together? Can we work together? Turn off your phones. Turn off your phones. Turn off your phones. Please stay seated. Please stay seated. Please stay seated. We have a quiz today. We have a quiz today. We have a quiz today. Practice your spelling. Practice your spelling. Practice your spelling. Don't cheat. Don't cheat. Don't cheat. Follow the rules. Follow the rules. Follow the rules. Take notes carefully. Take notes carefully. Take notes carefully. Awesome work today. Every minute counts when you practice daily. Keep it up and don't forget to subscribe to 10 Minute English. See you tomorrow.